In this quick video, we will show you an example of an order fulfillment import-export capabilities, also known as display pallets, starting from an Excel spreadsheet. Let's fire up the Display Pallet order fulfillment program in CapePack and show you that you can manually enter the different packages in the interface. In this example, you can see that 4 different packages were added using the manual interface, entering length, width, height and weight, and quantity. This obviously takes some time. Now let's imagine that we don't have 4, but we have 400 different packages. To automate this, head on over to your local hard drive after installing CapePack in the Program File directory, in the Examples folder, where you will find different templates. These are Excel templates that allow you to automate this process. Go ahead and open up the RunDP spreadsheet, where you can see another example here with 4 entries, but you can obviously insert any number of additional lines. Maybe your current software has the ability to export to Excel, and then you bring the information in here. Either way, it will allow you to automate this process. Clicking on this Run Order Fulfillment will start up a little Visual Basic program that you can discover in the Developer tab in Excel. And this will now automatically fire up CapePack and take all the information from the spreadsheet and put it in the interface. As you can see here, the software automatically starts calculating. So let's fast forward. Once the calculation is done, your results are ready. It's really that easy. So here we can see that there are 8 different pallets needed. So in case that you want to use this automated way of importing in different units, that's also possible, as you can see here in the tab in Excel. Hope that saves you some time, and thanks for watching as usual.